Welcome back to Ctube channel. We are now at the CBD fair in Guangzhou, right here at our exhibition booth. As a conduit supplier with over 10 years of experience and international certifications, we offer a full range of conduit systems, from rigid conduit and flexible conduit and matching fittings. All our conduits are built to meet global standards, including UL listed for USA, CSA certified for Canada, CE for Europe, and ASNZS 2053 for Australia and New Zealand. We also offer special conduit solutions like low-smoke halogen-free conduit for added fire safety and solar conduit designed for tough outdoor conditions. They are UV-resistant, corrosion-proof, impact-tested, and designed for quick, secure installations, indoors or outdoors, buried or exposed. Our solar conduits and other PVC conduits are built to work reliable from -15 degrees Celsius and 105 degrees Celsius. Low-smoke halogen-free conduits are tested to handle temperatures from -45 degrees Celsius to 150 degrees Celsius. Our products are trusted in hospitals, schools, solar farms, and residential projects. Anywhere safety and performance come first. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in our products, feel free to contact us.